Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is always a huge pleasure to have you here. In this video I will show you how I made a portable and useful cart to move my kayak. The kayak is 3.6 meters or 12 feet long and weighs more or less 14 kilos or 31 pounds. I can put it on my shoulder to move it, but it is not comfortable, so I decided to make a cart. I want it to be small, to be able to store it in the cockpit of the kayak and bring it with me if needed. Here it is, small and handy. And this is the position where to lash it. Under the bow or under the stern is the same. The lashing system is quite easy and logic. A short piece of line keeps the cart in position under the kayak. And another piece of line, longer, is tightened between the cockpit and the cart and avoids that the cart can slip while pulling or pushing the kayak. This second line also puts in tension all the cart components and is tied firmly near the cockpit. When everything is ready, you can take the kayak at the opposite end and pull or push it wherever you want, easily and with no effort. To unlash the cart and store it in the cockpit of the kayak is even easier. Only few seconds are needed. Now let's take a look in detail at the cart. It is made out of few components: 2 plastic wheels, an axis connecting the wheels, 2 copper or brass sheets to keep the axis in position, a base board, a support board, 2 plastic or rubber pipes, and 12 stainless steel screws for wood. If you need, you can play with the dimensions of the components to fit better your kayak. But let me stress some points that are important in my opinion. The plastic pipes are very important to keep the cart and the kayak well aligned and avoid that the cart can rotate while moving the kayak. If it rotates, you lose directionality and easy handling. Before you tie and put in tension the line of the cart, be sure that both the kayak and the cart are clean and with no sand between them, or you will ruin the kayak keel. Don't use iron components, screws, axes, sheets to keep the axis in position, etc., or you will have to deal with rust in no time, especially if you use it at sea. And don't use ball bearing wheels, because the sand or the mud will destroy them very quickly. On the other hand, you can use different type of wheels. I'm still experimenting and thinking how to improve the cart. Please post your comments here below if you have any suggestion. I will make a new video if I'll get to any significant improvement and if you will ask for it in the comments. In this slide, I summarize for your convenience the list of parts I used to make my cart, including all their dimensions. That's all I have for you today. I hope you like the video. If you do, share it with your friends. Please subscribe to support the channel, give a thumbs up, and click the bell for notifications. I would also really appreciate if you would like to leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.